everyone, it's Brandon from Magic Lake Vacations and Travel Planning Genies and Genies, and today we are gonna do mobile order at Flame Tree Barbecue. So it's a dual mobile order and a food review at the same time. If this is your first time watching one of our YouTube videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We have the best Disney and Universal vacation tips. That's what we do for our clients, and we love sharing that with you. And so today we're going to be showing you how to use Disney's mobile order app in the Walt Disney World application. And we're also going to have lunch at Flame Tree Barbecue, and it is raining right now, so I am going to go underneath there really quick and order my food. And yeah, so it's raining, so we're gonna go over there. All right, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do mobile order through the Walt Disney World app. So I'm on the homepage right now. You can see the health acknowledgement up there. You can see about the new changes. This is where you would do your Star Wars Rise of Resistance virtual queue, which I'm so happy you now have 3 chances as opposed to 1. And we are gonna scroll down till we see mobile order, which is right down there. So I'm gonna click order now. First thing it's going to ask me is to select an arrival window, and I'm going to do Flame Tree Barbecue. It's right at the top, so I'm going to click now. And then you can see that it has all the different categories, and I'm going to go to entrees first, and I'm actually going to get their smokehouse chicken salad, which is tossed in a barbecue ranch dressing. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to order 1, and I'm going to add it to my cart. Now you can see at the top I still have my cart up there. And then I need to add a beverage. So I'm going to go to beverages. And I can get a fountain drink. I can get a bottled water. I can get a smart water. You can see all my choices right there. I am going to get a mandarin orange lemonade because why not? That sounds fun. So I'm going to add that to my cart. And is there anything else I want to get? I could get a side if I wanted to. A ring basket or french fries. I think that's going to be it for me. They have all sorts of wines as well. So now I'm going to click on my view my order to see what all I have in there. And you can see it is asking me if I want to add a cupcake to enhance my meal, but I'm going to skip over that and I'm going to click review order summary. And it says arrive now between that and 1:10. And I should have everything ready to go, and I'm going to say continue to check out. And I'm going to use the card I have on file, and I'm going to hit purchase. And there you go. So when I'm ready for my food, I will actually come back to this menu and hit on here, prepare my order. All right, so now I am standing right outside of Flame Tree Barbecue. So I'm gonna click I'm here, prepare my order. And I will get a text notification once my order is complete. So now I have to do is wait. All right, so I said I was here, and now it tells you exactly where to go, and I'm supposed to go to mobile order location number 2. So I'm at mobile order location number 2, and I'm gonna go, oh, there it is. I'm gonna come over here and pick up my order. And as you can see, I got the chicken salad with barbecue sauce and the mandarin orange lemonade, and I bet you it's gonna be really good, but we're gonna try it, we're gonna find out. Here with my other travel genie, Laura, and she has already ordered her food, which is the beans and the pulled pork sandwich. You can see there's the pulled pork, there's the beans, and she's gonna try her beans first.
Very good.
Delicious. And then how do you even bite into that sandwich? You're just gonna go full.
We're just gonna go for it. We're gonna go everywhere.
She's
We're
just gonna
go for it.
do one big bite. Nom, 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 nom.
That's very good.
Yeah? Would you get it again? Oh, okay, yeah. See, last time we were, I'm not gonna say where we were last time, we were doing a, we were doing a food review, and Laura was like, yeah, it's pretty good. And then she's like, no, I wouldn't order it again. And that's the real sign. Are you gonna order it again or not, right, Laura?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Mandarin orange lemonade. I'm gonna try this first. That's actually really good. I like lemonade, it's sweet, but it's really, really good. And this is a barbecue chicken salad. So I'm gonna try a bite of this. It's got onion rings on here. That's really good too. And it cornbread
Croutons.
Those cornbread
Crouton.
Crouton.
You can do it, Brandon.
They're really good. Oh my goodness. Like, this is 2 thumbs up for me too. I'm coming back in like an hour. So when you come to eat at Flame Tree Barbecue, if you keep going to the tables in the very, very, very back, it's the one that has the blue portico, and I'll show a quick little video overlay of this so you can see what it looks like. But it actually backs up to the river, and you can see the seating for Rivers of Light, which Disney just announced they're not bringing back, which is odd now that I think about it, because they have this huge seating area without Rivers of Light. So it makes me wonder, like, are they going to do something different, or is it just temporary clothes? They're going to bring it back. But when the Disney characters come by on their boats, you'll actually be able to see them if you sit here while you are enjoying your meal in it. So I'm going to finish eating my meal, and then I'll give you my closing thoughts. So they're really small right now, but you can see that Donald is on his way down the river. This is where you're going to see all of your favorite Disney characters right now. And the best place to be is actually on the bridges, but let's take a look at some of our favorite clips of our favorite Disney characters on the waters in Disney's Animal Kingdom. That's our review of Flame Tree Barbecue. Laura loved hers, didn't you, Laura?
It's delicious. Highly recommended. 2 thumbs up.
And I loved mine. And so there you have it. Totally recommend Flame Tree Barbecue at Disney's Animal Kingdom for your quick service meal. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our YouTube button. We love providing you Disney and Universal vacation planning tips. And of course, we help people plan their Disney and Universal vacations as well. You can check the link in the comments for that. And don't forget, we have these other amazing videos you can watch too. This one over here, and that one. This one, and that one. And that one, and this one, and this one, that one, and that one, and this one, that one. Watch another video, have fun.